guys, how are you all? In this video, I am going to teach you Hindi expressions. When you are meeting a Hindi person, how to say these words. Okay, so these are all useful expressions for you. I hope these things will be useful for you. Okay, let's start. Namaskar. Come on, pronounce. Namaskar. Namaskar means hello. Namaskar. Okay. For the first time when you are meeting a person, you have to say Namaskar means hello. Namaskar. Okay. And then second one, आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं means how are you? आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं means how are you? माफ की third one, माफ कीजिए. माफ कीजिए. माफ कीजिए. Please forgive me. Please forgive. Pardon. Okay, pardon. Maaf kijiye means please forgive. Pardon. And then fourth one, Kana kaliya? Kana kaliya? Have you finished your food? Have you eaten? Kana kaliya? Kana kaliya? Once again I'm repeating. Namaskar means hello. Namaskar. आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? माफ कीजिए. माफ कीजिए. Pardon. Pardon me or excuse me, whatever it is. माफ कीजिए. माफ means forgiveness. माफ कीजिए means pardon me or forgive me. खाना खा लिया? खाना खा लिया? Often you can hear them speaking this word. खाना खा लिया? Have you eaten? Have you finished your food? खाना खा लिया means have you eaten? So fifth one. आपका नाम? You can ask आपका नाम क्या है also. आपका नाम is enough. आपका नाम? Like that you have to ask. आपका नाम? You have to express. आपका नाम? और आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम means what is your name? Your good name please, like that. Your good name. आपका नाम. Sixth one. आप किधर से आते हैं? आप किधर से आते हैं? आप किधर से आते हैं? Where do you come from? आप किधर से आते हैं? Where do you come from? किधर means where, से means from, आते means come, आप means you. So where do you come from? आप किधर, किधर means where. आप किधर से आते हैं? आप किधर से आते हैं? Where do you come from? Seventh one. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद. Thank you. धन्यवाद means thanks. Thank you. Eighth one. फिर मिलेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे means see you again. फिर मिलेंगे means let's meet again. That is see you again, goodbye, like that. Okay. Once again I'm repeating. आपका नाम. What is your name? आप किधर से आते हैं? Where do you come from? धन्यवाद. Thanks. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. Okay, you understood? Once again I'm repeating all. Right? Please repeat. Namaskar. Hello. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? माफ कीजिए. Pardon me or forgive me. खाना खा लिया? Have you eaten? आपका नाम? Your good name? आप किधर से आते हैं? Where do you come from? धन्यवाद. Thank you. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. So these are all some useful Hindi expressions you can use in everyday life. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.